of standard social. As we already seen about this our earth lesson. Now we are going to see the some of the exercises. So now we are going to learn the fill in the blanks. So learn at home, fill in the blanks. So the distance between the earth and the sun is dash. What is the distance between the earth and the sun? The distance between the earth and the sun is 150 million kilometer. So the distance between the sun and the earth, between sun and the earth is how many kilometers? 150 million kilometers. So you have to write like this. The distance between the sun and the earth is 150 million kilometers. So dash is caused due to the revolution of the earth. So which is caused by the revolution of the earth? Day and night caused by the revolution of the earth. So don't forget, day and night is caused due to the revolution of the earth. So learn the fill in the blanks at home, children, due to the revolution of the earth. The next one, the continent which is covered by ice. Which continent is covered by ice? The continent which is covered by ice, continent covered by ice is Antarctica. What is that? Antarctica. It is full of snow only and full of ice. So the continent covered by ice is Antarctica. Which is the biggest continent? As I already seen, the biggest continent is Asia. So the biggest continent is Asia. Which is the smallest continent? Australia. When you are seen in the map, the 7 continents, you are seen Asia is the biggest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. Which is described as the red planet? Mars. Mars is known as, described as red planet. It will be like a reddish in color. So it's described as a red planet. So they will ask a question like this, which is known as the red planet? Mars. Okay. Dash percentage of the earth is covered by salt water. Which is covered by, how many percentage is covered by salt water? As I already told, 71% of the earth is covered by salt water. So 71% of earth is covered by salt water. So the distance between the sun and the earth is 150 million kilometers. And day and night is caused due to the revolution of the earth. The continent which is covered by ice is Antarctica. The biggest continent is Asia, which is covered by ice is Antarctica. Mars is described as a red planet and 71% of the earth is covered by salt water. Okay children, now I'll ask you the sum of the questions. We will see that one. As I already seen the earth. Now I'll ask you the one word question answers. So I'll write the one word question answers. You can learn at home. I'll go through it. Okay. What is meant by the universe? So universe says that numerous stars and celestial bodies came into a massive explosion. These celestial bodies only known as the universe. So number of stars, numerous any the stars and celestial bodies. Now answer in one word. Answer one word. So what is the universe? Numerous stars and celestial bodies numerous stars and celestial bodies came into existence. By massive explosion. Okay, so these celestial bodies is known as a universe. Now, what do you mean by what is universe consist of? So, universe consists of billions of galaxies. What does universe consist of? So, what are the things? What are the universe consist of? Billions of stars. Universe consists of billions of stars. Okay, billions of stars. Then billions of galaxies and stars, planets, comets, everything. Stars, planets, comets, asteroids and meteoroids. Meteoroids and natural satellites. So, what does universe consist of? I'm sorry. What does universe consist of? So, the universe consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids and meteoroids and satellites. Okay, children. Okay, what is galaxy? The galaxy is a huge cluster of stars. Galaxy is a huge cluster of stars. So, what is galaxy? What is galaxy? Galaxy is a huge cluster of stars. Huge cluster. Cluster na a group, rare cluster of group of stars together is a galaxy. What's the Milky Way? This galaxies this type of the huge cluster of stars. This galaxy, the billions of countless billions of galaxies is the Milky Way. So that is one of the this countless billions of galaxies in the cluster of stars, countless of and that is also like a white in color. So that is the Milky Way. So we have seen this. I have already told you the outer planets are gaseous planets. What are the outer planets as gaseous planets? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And inner rocky planet is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. As already I have taught you in that. So you go through that one, children. So these rocky planets are also known as the terrestrial planets. And which are the frozen planets? Uranus and Neptune are the frozen planets. Okay. What are the two movements of the earth? The two movements of the earth are rotation and revolution. What are the two movements of the earth? The two movements of the earth are rotation and revolution. What are the two movements? Two movements of the earth. They are the two movements of the earth. Rotation and revolution. Okay, children? So these are the two movements of the earth. Okay, which is the third planet from the sun? The earth is the third planet from the sun and the fifth largest in the solar system. And how are the day and night cast? Day and nights are cast due to the earth's rotation. Okay, seasons are caused by the earth revolution. Okay, day and night are caused by the earth rotation and seasons are caused by the earth revolution. And then which planet is nearest to the sun? Mercury is the nearest to the sun. And next to the earth is, what are the planets are there? Mars, Uranus, Saturn, Neptune and Jupiter. Which the planets nearer to the sun is very hot. The planets which are away from the sun is very cold. So which is the smallest planet? Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet. So learn this question set the two movements. So which is the smallest planet? Mercury is the smallest planet. Which is the smallest planet? Now you can say Mercury only. Mercury is the smallest planet. Okay then. Which is called as the earth twin. Earth twin. Venus is called as the Earth's twin. And Mars you are already known as the red planet. And Earth is called as the blue planet. Earth is called as dash. What is that? That is the blue planet. Earth is called as the blue planet. Which is the ringed planet? Saturn is the ringed planet. Saturn is the ringed planet. So all these one words and question answer you can learn at home. They will. Okay, so question answer and like this fill up just like a game. And you know the 7 continents. Which is the 7 continents? Which is the 7 continents? The 7 continents are Asia, Africa, North America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Which is the biggest continent? The biggest continent is Asia. The smallest continent is Australia. What are the 5 oceans? The 5 oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean. So that's all children. So learn this question answer and fill up at home. We will see you in the next class. Thank you.